In the past 2 decades, the design of stealth warships to deal with electronic reconnaissance has become a mainstream trend of the world military shipbuilding industry. Although not a major military power in the world, Sweden is one of the pioneers in developing stealthy warships. Of these, the Swedish Visby-class corvettes are rated to have superior strength compared to other competitors in the world. HSwMS Visby is the lead ship of the class. In the 1980s, when other countries were concentrating on developing heavy destroyers, Sweden successfully developed a HSwMS Visby high-speed boat with a displacement of 140 tons. The ship was made of completely new materials and technologies that allow testing of several new technologies as a basis for future warship designs. Experience from SMART was used while planning the Visby-class corvettes. The Visby project was initiated in 1995 and was one of the world's first stealth warship programs. 5 years behind schedule, the first of Visby-class corvettes have been formally declared operational. The lead ship of the class, Visby K-31, was launched in June 2000. It was commissioned in 2002 and underwent a decade-long trial before being put into service with the Swedish Navy in 2012. The Visby and her sisters were the largest surface vessel project ever conducted by Kockums Shipyard. The hull of the vessel is made of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, a material that makes the ship very strong and resilient in relation to their weight. The material is one of the factors that gives the vessel very low signature levels in terms of radar, magnetic, and hydroacoustic. This makes the ship difficult to detect on radar and infrared camera. At the same time, the vessel can withstand shock effects very well, and she can also take a big load. The Visby is designed with a unique appearance that ensures high stealth ability and almost no similar opponents. Flat surfaces and concealed equipment reduce radar signature to a minimum. Every feature that did not necessarily be located outside the hull has been built in or concealed under specially designed hatches. On both sides of the ship and the command tower are designed like pyramids. The front turret is also designed in that way. The 57mm cannon barrel can be floated into the turret to reduce its cross-section, create a unified block. The ship has a displacement of 650 tons, a length of 72.6 meters, with a beam of 10.4 meters, and a draft of 2.5 meters. The gas turbine exhausts have been concealed in hidden outlets, close to the water surface at the stern of the vessel. The Visby is equipped with a combined diesel and gas turbine arrangement. 4 TF-15A gas turbines from Honeywell and 2 MTU-16V 2090 diesel motors are connected to 2 gearboxes, which run 2 Kamewa waterjet propulsors. The propulsion system provides a continuous maximum speed of 15 knots in diesel engine mode and more than 40 knots in gas turbine mode. The ship's main armament is a Bofors 57mm gun Mark III, as mentioned above. The gun has fully automatic loading system containing 120 rounds of ready-to-fire ammunition, and it can fire up to 220 rounds a minute to a maximum range of 17 kilometers. She is equipped with 8-shot Bofors Dynamics RBS-15 Mark II anti-ship missiles. The RBS-15 Mark II uses active Ku-band radar homing and has a range of more than 200 kilometers. The missile has a high subsonic speed, Mach 0.9, and is armed with a 200 kg warhead. The missiles will be installed below deck and be fired through special hatches to maintain the vessel's stealth. For anti-submarine warfare, The Visby is equipped with four 400mm torpedo launchers for top 45 anti-submarine homing torpedoes. To enhance the ship's flexibility, Visby was designed to have a helicopter flight deck at the stern. A helicopter, such as the Augusta Westland A109M, selected by Sweden, can land, take off, and refuel on the upper deck. The main sensor of Visby's steel corvette is the Giraffe ABM 3D surveillance radar. This radar is capable of detecting anti-ship missiles at distances from 70 to 80 kilometers. There are also other radar systems, such as Sarah's 200 fire control radar system, Control CS3701 tactical radar surveillance system, hull-mounted sonar, tow array sonar system, and variable depth sonar. The ship is equipped with Cetris C3 system, consists of the Sharp Systems 9LV Mark IIIe combat instrument system, the Mass Decision Support 8, and the Integrated Communication System. Visby is the first steel corvette in the world equipped with extremely special electronic systems. Any crew use a terminal, they can fully receive all electronic data that they are transmitted to access. Studies throughout the world show that only a few modern radar systems in the world can detect Visby's steel corvette at a distance of 20 to 22 kilometers, tracking distance from 11 to 13 kilometers. So Visby has a huge advantage over the opponent. Visby can launch attacks before being detected. My video of Visby ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again.